Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. Now we have received the comments on this particular success story. So if you remember, this was a success story that was I think uploaded on 20th of Jan, and many of you had asked for the CV of this person who got selected, Sai, as an automation tester in various companies such as TCS, Wipro, India Inc. Right. So what we have done is today's video is on how to prepare the CVs if you want to get hired as an automation tester, and if you are having an experience of mid level like 3 to 5 years or 3 to 6 years, right? So what I would show is I'll show you his CV today, right? Let me just share the CV of Sai. Yeah. So this is how you are supposed to prepare a CV if you are looking for an automation testing job. Okay. So over here, I have converted his PDF file to Word file. You can get these kind of tools available online. Those are free of cost. I love PDF.com kind of tools, right? So over here, you can see in the highlight, in the summary, he has mentioned like as an MTech graduate, 3+ years of experience he has in software testing. In the title, he has mentioned test automation engineer. So when you are creating CV for the automation testing job, so you have to mention, what is your summary, and you can attach your profile pic also over here. Then mobile number, the Twitter account link, then very important is the email address, the location in which you are currently in, right? And apart from that, what is the GitHub link of where you have uploaded your automation code, your Selenium code, whatever Java code that you have written. So please, it's a request, it's very important that you attach such sort of links, the GitHub links in the CV. Apart from this, you can also put a link of your LinkedIn profile over here, right? Now coming to this CV, if you can see this CV, this is just of one page, right? In one page itself, everything has been mentioned, right? So now over here, you can see its work experiences written, right? Where he was currently working, right? In at Indigent Technologies Private Limited, since when, right? So earlier he was working as a manual tester. So if you have one or two companies, so you can mention in this order, right? The company in which you are currently working should be at the top. The previous experience, your prior experience company should be below that. All the skills should be there. And apart from testing, very important is Selenium WebDriver, TestNG, Maven, page object model, data driven framework, Java. These are the keywords that you should always include in your CV, right? Now many of the people in these days, they have started asking, or we are receiving comments in the video section that why are we not getting calls from any of the IT company? Why are we not getting any interview calls? Why our resume is not getting shortlisted? So that also we are preparing. But basically, see, keywords is a key skill, key thing over here. If your CV is of automation testing profile, your CV should definitely have the skills: Selenium WebDriver, these keywords, Java, TestNG, page object model. Now, for example, if you are applying for a performance testing job, then your skill set, or in the tools and technology section, you should definitely have something like a JMeter, right? And if you are a security tester, then you should have Bobsuit kind of tool experience in your CV, and those should be mentioned in your CV, right? Then any achievements that you have got as a tester, let's say achievements, it means, for example, when you have taken a part in some of the bugathon and you got selected, or maybe you participated over there, right? That is also fine. So you can mention those achievements over here. Achievements are very important. Then certifications are there, whichever certifications we are doing. So see, these days a Selectors Hub certification program is in great demand, right? This Selector Hub is such a good tool that you would be able to locate XPath, CSS, and various locators that you would be needing while creating your automation script, right? So this tool certification program is good. You can do this certification. Again, this is free of cost. Then he had also done Selenium Java test framework and best practices masterclass. So I think this is one of the other course that he had done, right? Web automation testing he is mentioned over here. So there was some internal organization, third party organization that came into partnership with them. But this, he got an opportunity for this as he was a part of this company. That doesn't mean that until unless your company does not ties up with some another third party people to provide this kind of certification or learning or course program, so you won't be able to do it. There is a lot of material available on Google which you can do certify by yourself itself, right? Then languages which interest, right? So this is fine. And whichever the engineering graduation degree, the master's that he has done, that is mentioned over here. See, it's a CV of just one page and it is so crisp, right? And it covers everything. 378 words, page one of one. Why I mentioned in word? Because I wanted to show you in 378 words you can mention your entire profile, right? So this is a kind of CV that you have to prepare if you are looking for a test automation engineer job with 3+ years of experience or in mid-level of experience, 3 to 6 years, right? And if you are creating CV in such kind, this looks very professional. Some people are writing areas of interest, date of birth, hobbies, and all those things. So those things are not at all required, right? And over here again, you can see he would have done some project during, as he started his career or at the end of his college time. But as he is an experienced person, experienced professional, so no need of mentioning projects. You just need to mention your experience that you have been doing in the MNC companies as a part of your career, right? So this is how you have to prepare your CV. So I hope many of the people who had commented on that success story video that we need CV, we need his profile template, how can we create the CV? So this is how you can create such kind of CVs. Okay. And if you are looking for automation testing job, so please create such kind of CVs and do mention all the skill sets available over here, right? Thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you all would be able to understand how you are creating your CV. And if you're looking forward for some kind of mock interviews, so please share your CV to us at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. Generally we are taking interviews on weekends only, Saturdays and Sundays. So we would be scheduling your interviews as soon as per our convenience, as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.